Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. I'm Jackie Panetta. So today's video is just an update about the account that was using the signals, the market maker trend signals. So this is the account. Started it last Thursday, I think is what it is, or whatever. It opened up at 20. First trade was taken here on the 30th, right? So there you go. Was up $5 last week. We done, right? Okay. So then this week, killer monster. I'm up 25% after 2 weeks. 25% increase in your account after 2 weeks. That's fire. Manually trading, right? On a $100 account. Y'all gonna be like, well, that ain't really nothing. It's only $25. So, but you manually traded to do it, right? So you learned to manually trade, taking these signals to do it, because the signals ain't giving you a not all the signals give you an entry point, take profit, stop loss. Like one signal did that this week. Alright, just one. Okay. The well, matter of fact, the one that GU last week that did that. That was it. Then there was another signal that came out this week, but I didn't take that in this account. I took it in something else. That gave you a entry with a stop loss and a take profit. But these right here, those were my manually trading of the directional signals. Remember, these are the market maker trend directional signals. I did my manual trades based off of that. How did I do these trades? I utilized arrow strategies and naked chart trading. Yeah, that's right. Naked chart trading. You know I use my fib. I could trade on a naked chart using the fib. You know that. Anybody can tell you that. Okay? So, it's just that if you link up with me, I will show you what I did. Because a lot of times people want to be like, they want to learn to trade it, but they don't want to put in the effort for it. You got to still put in that effort to develop the skill. Because I can tell you, these signals are fire. And this could be a passive way of generating income, but you still need to manually trade to make sure that you got active income, and you still need to learn how to manually trade. That means if you want to use an indicator, that's fine. Don't let nobody come and tell you that you can't use indicators to trade, or that's not the way to trade. Who are they? If you can use an indicator to trade and you successful with that indicator and you making money with it, you can tell them to go forget them. Right? If somebody want to come and tell you, well, naked chart trading is the way to go, that might work for them. That might not work for you. You need to find what works for you. Okay? You ain't no trader better than somebody else just because of the way that they do it. Alright? There are some things that might make it a little bit easier, but maybe it's for that person, institutional versus retail. There's a difference. Okay? Big difference. You want to move with the banks, right? Institutional trading. But if you are a retail trader right now, you can get to institutional trading, but you can still make money either way. I had to put that out there. So, boom, 25%. Come on, y'all. Don't sleep on this money. Now, if that was a 1K account, it would be $250 after 2 weeks. Oh, well, this is a growth account. If it was a 10K account, it would be $2,500 in 2 weeks. $1,250 a week. Come on now. That's $5K a month. You can do that with changing just signals. Come on now. Come on now. How do you get to that 10K? Compound your account. If you can only come in with $100, compound your account so you can grow there. Here, boom. Here you go. Here's a comp plan right here. $100. Grow it. Take a year. That's what this account is. Week 2. I already met my goal. I'm good. Once you hit your goal for the week, get out of live and go into demo and take the time in demo to practice and build up on your manual trading skill. And then have a separate account from this as your active manual trading account, so that way you can grow it. And that's what you live off of while you're growing this account passively. Take a year, 1 year commitment. 1 year commitment. This is what your account will look like. Right? 0.01 per $100 lot size. How much money is this? That's how much. The cost of the subscription to get the signals times 12 months, $2,148 total. That's it. $2,148 total. That's it. Right? Keep that in mind. That's your investment for the year. Okay? After that, look how much you're paying yourself out. Look how much you're paying yourself out at. $2,500 a week. So in the very first week after you hit your goal, you've made your entire year investment back and then some with profit. That's just with the signals. And then every week after that is nothing but profit. The next week pays the next year's subscription and then profit. And then after that, you are gravy. Come on now, make it simple and easy for you. And in that whole year time, you have taken the time to manually trade and develop your manual trading skills. Who's to say that you don't need to pay that subscription after this year? No one says you have to, but if you want to keep the signals as passive income, okay. But if you've developed your skill of manually trading so good and you so tight with it, you might not need the subscription after that. That's okay too. Just know that you made that investment into yourself to develop a skill that's going to feed you for life. What is that fishing proverb, y'all? I love that proverb. Where you can give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. If you teach a man to fish, he'll be eating for life. Because one day these signals might stop. And then how are you going to generate your money? You should know your manual trading to be able to do that. Right? You should know your manual trading to be able to continue to do this. That's what that is. So, how does Arrow come into play? This is Arrow right now. I use the Arrow system, okay, because it makes it easier for me to trade. I like to have the visual view of the market. Alright, this is the binary ATM indicator. I like that. It uses the stochastic. I don't really use a lot of indicators in my trading. I'm trading oil and Euro JPY right now. Okay, this is oil right now. I love it that I could see things and I could trade oil and I'm good. I got in off of H1 alert right there. Boom. Going up. How did I get into this? Zoom out. I'm on an uptrend on oil. I'm going up. Taking a buy. Going to the zone. Everybody that know me, I'm going to the zone, right? Okay. Now, that's Arrow. You want to do naked chart trading? You could do that too. I could trade this utilizing fib. Really. Honestly, you know, I could have used my fib on this too and just did like a fib level breakout to catch it and get in. But I waited for an alert because I was lazy. You know, but same way, same thing. You can utilize it for your trading, but I wanted y'all to see how powerful those directional signals were. So if you do want to try them out, let me know. We still got passes to give away. We're gonna be doing major events coming up here soon, so everybody gets it. Look, all I'm trying to do is share with y'all what's going on and that it's real and that it's legit. Some people have a hard time learning from others. Not everybody that's going to teach you to trade is somebody that you're going to resonate with. Okay? But if you could invest in yourself to at least get you going with some passive income that could build you an account so that while you are learning to trade, because listen, that subscription doesn't only just give you signals. Okay? It gives you two versions of signals, the market maker trend direction and the EA signals. And it gives you access to the live trade rooms with myself, with other educators at Arrow, utilizing Arrow strategies. I'm talking Forex, day, and swing trading, scalping. We're talking crypto education and trading. We're talking binary education and trading. You get all of that. And you get the software of Arrow itself, plus the binary ATM. You get a trade manager that'll manage your trades, a risk manager that will tell you about your risk, close you out of trades once you hit certain profit. All of that comes into that monthly subscription. You got a Forex basics course that if you don't know nothing about trading, that's included as well. Come on, y'all. If you can invest $2,200, I rounded it up to $2,200, $2,200 for the year. Don't you think that can change your life? Let me ask you this though. If you go ahead and pay for somebody to trade, to teach you to trade, right? How many blown accounts and time is going to be taken for you to actually master that? In the time that you've been doing to master that, what is your way to generate income on the side or to grow you an account so that when you are ready, you can go ahead and make your money? I'll ask it that way. Okay? Because I ain't had that when I started. So I had to grow an account for me, and I didn't really have it. My only other way of income was my job. Alright, so how about if you got your job right now and you want to learn to manually trade, go ahead and get your job as your income. You got these signals as your passive income that's growing you money, and then you got to learn to manually trade. Why not? Remember, we got to always think about sometimes things are worth the investment, but you got to connect with something that's actually going to resonate with you, and you got to connect with something that's actually going to help you, because there's things out there that don't help. I already know. And I'm not here trying to sell y'all on nothing. I'm just trying to make sure that it's very, very clear that Forex ain't a scam. I ain't in no scam. Alright? I could trade. I may not be the best trader out there, but I trade enough that I make a living off of it, and I don't mind sharing it with other people. Okay? But to use this software, you're going to have to come in with it. That's the only way to get this software. Okay? If you want to use it. If you want a naked chart trade, go right ahead. But here, I'll teach you how to use this software to help you get your money. You know? Get these alerts that'll help you trade stock options. The versatility of your trading. You know, make sure that whatever strategy you're being taught, is it versatile enough that it can be applied to all financial markets. I could throw arrow on a chart, get an alert, and take a futures trade. Take a stock option trade based off of what it is. Take a stock trade. You know what I'm saying? So make sure that you guys are taking advantage of everything that Arrow and the software suite of tools has to offer, including the signals and the live trade rooms. If you really want to be serious about trading and get your weight up, that's still going to be the way to do it. Lock in with me and my team. Okay? Lock in with me and my team. You already know. I already done told you what the investment was. Okay? I'll give you a 7-day free pass. You're going to be like, what can I do in 7 days? I just told you what I did in 2 weeks. Maybe you can do 5% in a week. I just showed y'all that last week. You can do 5% on an account in a week. Again, where are you going to make 5% at on a savings account? I'll wait. I'm being dead serious with y'all. I just want y'all to make sure you take it seriously and learn. Alright? Now, what I said I was going to do a video on a binary ATM. I will. That's strategy 11 of Arrow. I'm going to be doing a video on that here soon. But I wanted to provide y'all with the update video about the account. So I'm 25% up. That's what I'm talking about. That's 125 pips per week, you guys. And I did 200 pips in this week to get that. Okay? So you only need 125 pips per week to follow that trading plan for a year. Okay? 125 pips. I could tell you with them signals, you could probably, I pulled 200 in this week. And you're going to be like, well, 200 ain't a lot of pips. Literally, I took like 7 trades this week. So out of those trades, 4 of them kind of went 20 pips and 30 pips. That's just because I had a trailing stop. You know, I could have took 40 out of them if I wanted to, if I set that TP for 40 pips. But I was usually going for 50 to 100 pips every time. So I had a trailing stop on, utilizing the trade manager. And I was taking those trades from my phone. I didn't even have to come look at a chart. And I will tell y'all that's my sauce on those signals. Like, I don't even look at the chart when they come out, because I got a strat that I use. Alright, my squad is using that strat right now. Alright, but you gotta link up with me. And when you link up with me to get that strategy, that you have to be a Arrow subscriber on AP Live in my organization to be able to get that strategy. Just so you know. So that does not come with the 7-day free pass. You know what I'm saying? You can see the signal. You can see how the trade rooms work and all that. Or you want to get the 2-week trial. So the difference between the 7-day pass, which I can give you for free, we got like 200 of those available. I can get those out. The 2-week trial costs $30. The 2-week trial and the 7-week pass will give you access to everything at least for 1 week, because you need a 2-week trial to get access to the actual software. Alright? So that's how that works. Oh, that might be my arrow going off right now. It's 5:20. So just so y'all know, if y'all want to be able to link up with me and learn that strat, DM me. I'm going to leave my link to my Telegram under this video in the description box. The disclaimer is going to be in the description box. But I think it's fire that I did that. And, you know, I'm just trying to show you could build it for a $100 account. I mean, everybody got big boy accounts. But if you don't, I'm just letting you know you can start with $100 and change your life potentially. Alright? And I'm going to just be real with y'all. And I'll tell you when something don't work. But it's working for me, so I just want to share it with y'all. Okay? So, I'm going to leave y'all with that. I'm going to do the binary ATM video soon. I'm going to do a Nadex video soon using Arrow, naked chart trading. And pretty soon I'll do naked chart trading. So, I'm going to leave y'all with that. Check all the description box. Y'all take care. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye.